Hi, I'm Melissa Cookston, and today we're gonna grill red snapper, and we're gonna use something similar to a peri peri sauce, but I did a little bit of experimentation, and instead of the traditional African bird's eye peppers, we're gonna use Thai chili peppers. So we're gonna go ahead and make the sauce. I'm gonna start by using fresh tomatoes. These are seeded red jalapenos. Chopped red onion, our Thai chili peppers, olive oil, fresh squeezed lemon juice, fresh minced garlic, smells so good, smoked paprika, oregano, black pepper, and kosher salt. And we're gonna blend that really well into a paste. So red snapper is a very popular fish because it has a nice firm texture and the flavor is very sweet. So we're gonna start by scoring our snapper. Then I'm gonna stuff with some rosemary and lemon slices. Now I'm just gonna brush our peri peri sauce on the snapper. Good thing about putting oils in any of the sauces that you are using on your fish is to keep the protein from sticking to the grate. Then we're gonna put our snapper on the grill, which I have preheated to 400 degrees, and then I will put the sauce on the other side. All right, it's been about 5 minutes, so we're going to take a look. He's looking so good and smells even better. All right, so it's time to check our red snapper and see if he's done. He looks done. 145 on the money. Oh, he's so tender and flaky. Losing his lemon. Now, this peri peri is a little bit spicy, so you have to be very careful, and I would recommend serving it with something cool, like a watermelon salsa. So let's have a bite. That's the thing about being the cook, you always get the first bite. That is divine. You should try this recipe. Red snapper on the grill with sort of a peri peri sauce.